Hi friends, we have been working on syllables, so you are going to do a syllable sort. The first thing you're going to do is you need to say the picture on each card. Then you need to sort each card by the syllables. So I have a picture of a bird. If I clap out the word bird, I only clap one time. Bird. So that has one syllable. This picture is of a monkey. Let's clap that one out. Monkey. That has two syllables. So I'm going to put that over here where my two syllable words will go. You're going to keep going through all of your cards until you don't have any cards left. Make sure you're clapping each word out to find how many syllables. Then when you're all done, you're going to read all of the same syllable cards together to make sure you put them in the right spot. Have fun sorting!